Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by confirming access. Sign into your Microsoft account on a browser using your Xbox email and password, and complete any two-factor prompts. Once done, make sure the new email you want to use can receive messages and isn't tied to another Microsoft account. Next, note any active Xbox subscriptions and game saves so you avoid surprises. This step protects continuity. Finally, keep your console nearby in case you need to sign out and back in immediately after changing account. Now you'll change the login method by adding an alias. Go to Account, Microsoft.com, choose your info, then manage how you sign into Microsoft. Add your new email as an alias and check that inbox for the verification code. Enter it right away. Once verified, make that alias the primary account email. This tells Microsoft and Xbox to use the new address for sign-in and notifications. Make sure to keep the old address until the new one is fully active, so you can recover if anything goes wrong. Finish by signing out on your Xbox console, mobile app, and Windows devices, then sign back in with the new primary email to sync purchases and profile settings. Make sure recovery email and phone are current and review payment methods and subscriptions. If you encounter a blocker, such as the old email refusing removal because it's tied to services, try adding a different alias and switching primary, or contact Microsoft support. They can unlink legacy addresses. Finally, restart your console to clear cached credentials and confirm everything works.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.